Keep them steady now, nice and slow.
Watch the flank on the right, make sure she doesn't break away.
Keep the white ones moving left slowly. Watch their footing in this mud.
All right, I've got the black ones, bringing them around to the right now. Come on, easy. You're all right, we got you.
Yeah.
Nice and slow now. All right, walk them straight in. Secure the latch on stall 4.
Latch secured. Is the airflow steady back there?
Watch his left side.
Easy now.
Clear the ramp, keep them moving towards chute 3. All clear up here, send the next one down.
Easy now, easy. You're all right.
Come on in, that's a boy.
Keep them steady. Watch the gap on the left. Easy now.
Bring him forward slowly now. He's clear. Watch his footing by the drain. All right, this one looks good. Let's move to the next stall.
Temperature is normal, 100.2. Respiration looks good as well.
The swelling has gone down slightly, but the infection is still present. Let's continue the antibiotics and recheck in 3 days. All right, we'll do.
Heart sounds normal. Let's record the vitals and start him on a course of anti-inflammatories twice daily.
Okay, noted, twice daily.
Bring that next one over here. We need another trolley. This one is full. I'll grab one from the back. Look at the texture here. That won't pass inspection.
Agreed. Set it aside.
Make sure it's logged correctly. Look at these scratches and the discoloration here.
This hide definitely belongs in the reject pile. We can't use it for premium leather.
The timing on this batch seems slightly off. Let's increase the cycle speed by 5% for the next hour. How does this batch compare on texture?
It's showing the desired flexibility, consistent with the premium standard.
The color reading is consistent. Let's check that spot there.
Okay, I will rotate this one now.
Securing the uppers with tacks and adhesives is done carefully. Workers press the leather against the mold to fix it firmly.
Sole preparation begins with selecting the correct type. They are cleaned and polished before attachment, then aligned precisely with the lasted uppers.
Attaching the soles to lasted uppers starts the final assembly process. Workers press soles firmly onto the...
Adhesives and small tacks are used to secure the heel firmly. Machines press the heels gently while workers guide.
Edge trimming ensures smooth finishes. Workers use precision tools to remove excess glue and leather. The trimming process sharpens the look of the shoe. Surface polishing of shoes begins to enhance the final look. Workers use cloths and machines to create a subtle shine.
See this seam here? Flawless craftsmanship.
Absolutely. Approved for branding.
Remember, the brand logo must be perfect every time.
Quality control is our priority on this line.
Check the labels on those shipments carefully. We need to ensure accuracy.
Yes, Supervisor. They are sorted by batch number already.
Ensure the weight is evenly distributed on that pallet. Safety first.
Yes, boss. And this priority label is secure.
Watch the clearance on the left. Got it. Keep coming back. Verify the count on manifest 7.
The logs show 50 units, but we only have 45 in inventory.
Huh. Let me scan the barcode on the box.
Okay, it matches the manifest now.
Check the lighting on the center pair. And angle the left one slightly to emphasize the leather texture.